Look what you've done. You've moved the chair around. Whoa, you can move things in your universe. That's pretty awesome. Now you've got yourself boxed in. Are you making a fort? Are you barricading yourself? Yeah. Ooh, careful. Now what? Now you're kind of stuck. But you're standing up and you're happy. Hi. Are you gonna eat the chair? Yeah. The chair can roll pretty fast. I wouldn't suggest using it to walk. Yep, I put it back. There's my little tree climber. Oh, dead trees made into paper in a filing cabinet. But you will be. You're going to be a tree climber. Oh, now you appear to be a little bit stuck. Do you need a little help? Do you need a little help? Let's come this way. Oh, so how about we stand up? Oh, you're totally stuck. You're totally stuck. Can you get a hand from Mama? Stand up. There. Can you get your foot out? There. There you go. Ouch. There you go. There you go. Yeah, that's gonna slide on there. My child-proofing was just destroyed. I think I'm gonna have to intervene before she figures out that there's that cord down there that she can get to.